Imagine for a moment that you are already living the life of a millionaire. You're not just dreaming of wealth. You are walking through the grand halls of your mansion, feeling the soft leather of your luxury car, and making decisions with the confidence of someone who has achieved financial abundance. This is the power of visualizing from the end, a transformative technique that can significantly enhance your visualization skills and potentially alter the course of your life. The concept is simple yet profound. Instead of merely thinking of the end goal, you think from the end. It's a subtle shift in perspective, but one that can have monumental implications for your subconscious mind. By placing yourself mentally in the future and looking back at the present as if it's already past, you create a profound sense of reality in your visualization. This method is not just about seeing, it's about feeling and believing. Let's delve deeper into this technique and how it can pave the way to a millionaire lifestyle. 1. Visualize with clarity. The first step is to paint a vivid and detailed picture of your desired future. See yourself living the millionaire lifestyle. What does your day look like? Who are you with? What are you doing? The more detailed your visualization, the more real it becomes in your mind. 2. Embrace the sensations. As you visualize, engage all your senses. Feel the texture of the marble countertops in your kitchen. Hear the laughter of friends as you host a party in your lavish home. Taste the exquisite food served on your dining table. These sensations reinforce the reality of your visualization. 3. Reflect on your present. Look back at your current self from this future perspective. See your present as a stepping stone that has led you to this moment of success. This backward glance is not one of longing, but of gratitude and acknowledgement of your journey. 4. Live in the end. Carry this visualization into your everyday life. Make decisions as if you are already a millionaire. This doesn't mean spending recklessly, but rather adopting the mindset of abundance and making choices that align with your future self. By consistently practicing this technique, you begin to align your thoughts and actions with the reality of your visualization. It's a method that doesn't just aim for success, it expects it. And expectation is a powerful motivator. It drives you to take action, to seize opportunities, and to open yourself to the possibilities that can turn your visualization into reality. Visualizing from the end is more than a mental exercise. It's a rehearsal for the life you're about to lead. It's a journey that starts in the mind but, with belief and action, manifests into the physical world. Dare to dream big, visualize with intent, and live from the end. Your millionaire lifestyle awaits.